Good morning, everybody. We're going to be working out in our little garden today at the place that we rent. We're just going to be carrying out the hostas and then hoeing the ground so it's ready to be composted and shoveled. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I have Laurel with me, and so we're going to get started. As you can see, this one doesn't fit. That's okay, I'll just toss it in the bed of the truck and get this cleaned up and get going. So I don't know if you can really tell, but it left some pretty big holes, especially this one. That was the big one. Not too bad, I guess. But we're gonna go ahead and get the hoe here and get working. Side tangent. This is actually the hoe I grew up using. It's for my dad, and he really instilled the love of gardening for me, and I really enjoyed it growing up. I haven't been able to the last few years, so this is my first year with a little mini garden here, and I'm really looking forward to having the plants and getting the fruit and vegetables and just being able to do that and enjoy a little piece of farm life in the town. What are you doing? So here are my plants for our little garden area. Got some marigolds to line the front for our pollinators. They're an orange and a yellow. So I'm excited to put them. Those will go all across the front there. And then I have a pepper plant here. And then 2 tomato plants. And then 4 cucumbers. I want to do pickles. I like to can pickles. And I do have a little fig tree here, but he's going to go out on the land. Right now he's just potted, and probably put him in his pot in the garden until we can get him planted out on the land. Got a pretty Mother's Day gift here. That'll be going to my grandmother. And just some other little deck furnishings that we got. A cool little swan with some flowers. And my little hanger pots here. Those will be petunias. We got another Mother's Day gift. That's for my mother. And then our window here. These will also go out on the land. Our blackberries and some blueberries. Give those a try. And yeah, you can see it turned out pretty nice. It's all tilled up. We're gonna get some compost for my dad. I'm gonna put that on there. And we'll also use peat moss. Gotta get that. And just getting it ready. It's supposed to be cold this weekend, so we're not going to do anything with that. But yeah, you can see I got my handy dandy buddy here. My other handy dandy buddy who is asleep, but that's okay.
All right, got all the compost mixed into the soil, and I'm gonna get it all planted up. All right, well, there's our little garden at our apartment house. Really excited. It's gonna be really fun. We just got the marigolds on the front, got the beets, and then we had the beans, and then we got a bell pepper, 2 big tomatoes, and then some cucumbers over there. And then that was some fencing from my brother-in-law's fencing project, so he donated it to the cause. So, and then Mr. Rooster, we saw him at Tractor Supply and liked him. So we thank you guys for watching, and we'll keep you updated on it.